Hi, I'm Joan. I joined this program to help me with my parenting challenges with my kids who are 10, almost 5, and 4.5. We were looking for somebody to help with particularly challenges with potty training for the youngest, but also with 3 kids and that age spread, there's always something coming up. And with our eldest, who's neurodiverse, it's helpful to have some extra tools from somebody who has a lot of experience with many different kinds of challenges. So after looking around for a little bit, we chose Vanessa to help us out. It was important for us to make some changes because when you start facing the same challenge over and over again, you just start feeling like you're going crazy and something has to change, and you would like that to be a positive change and not just everybody getting at each other's throats all the time. After going through the motivational mastery workshop weekend, but also some of the initial sessions of the Immersion program, one of the big things that I get is that I am not alone in having challenges with my kids, and that I'm actually doing something good by just being invested in them and caring about them in this way, and having support to do it calmly and with mindfulness is great, but it's also great to get new tools to sort of more conscientiously impart some of that mindfulness to my kids. It's been helpful, and I've definitely got progress still to make, but I feel confident that this program is going to help me get there. The weekend retreat felt really valuable and worthwhile, and I appreciate that the recordings are available for those sessions that I really couldn't avoid missing, but being present for them felt really valuable and powerful. And connecting with the other parents in that workshop was helpful and important, as well as the direct tips from Vanessa and the other coaching staff. I got some good moments of like individual takeaways, like that if you give things the proper time to let them sit, you can get curious and you can think outside the box, but you can't always do that like immediately on cue. So it can be good to adjust our expectations for what kids, like how quickly they can turn on any particular switch. So like give them a little bit more space before we expect an answer, and like also giving kids, especially older kids, like a little bit of that time to get curious themselves, sometimes leave the room to let them sort of percolate on what you've just suggested or mentioned, instead of making them answer you, which might get them defensive. So if you're thinking about joining a weekend workshop or the immersion program, I would say definitely do it. It's worth it. Even if you're not quite sure what to expect, you're going to get something good out of it.